Izwe lakhiwe phezu kombuso wobumnyama. Umhlaba nje wonke jikelele umbuso wobumnyama. Ingakho-ke manje sebefikile abanikazi bawo umhlaba bathi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi abantwana bavuke balazi iqiniso. From i-religion, from i-tradition, from i-television, from zona zonke nje izinto that is happening around thina ezombuso noma zibuswa umbuso wobumnyama. Abaphezulu-ke bathi manginidlulisele noma nginambulele kancane ukuthi kuqhamukaphi lokhu noma umsuka nomqane nesiqalo sayona yonke lento le. Kwakunendoda eyayinganelisekile ngempilo yayo noma ngendlela izinto zayihamba ngayo empilweni yayo. Le ndoda yadecide to embark on a spiritual journey ngoba ifuna izinto ezizoyisebenzela ukuthi iphathe ibuse phezu kwabantu. Ngakho-ke we know ekufanele sik-emphasize noma bafuna ukuthi kube yinto ewukhiye nento enikhumbulayo nenibusayo ukuthi kwa-spirituality kunesayidi lobumhlophe, kunesayidi lobumnyama. Isayidi lobumhlophe leli labenza kahle abangcwele, isayidi lobumnyama ile moya yobumnyama ile moya engcolile. So le ndoda decided to embark on this spiritual journey okuwukuthi kona konke lokhu ikwazi ikuthatha kuthina abantu bakwantu noma abantu abaphiwe ngokukamoya. We don't want to use this sikusebenzise with ama-tribes or even with color. Let's just say abantu abasebenzela ubumhlophe nabasebenzela ubumnyama. Ulwazi lwethu luqhamuka from kude, lusuka from kudala, bekuyinkolelo zethu, bekusinendlela yokwenza izinto. Mabefika-ke bona bafika bathatha lokho ngokwethu, bathatha ulwazi lwethu, bathatha imfundiso zethu ebezehla emazulwini noma ebeziqhamuka kwamoya phezulu ngoba singabantu baphezulu, sibona abantu bamanzi noma abantu basemanzini. Bafika bathatha zona zonke imfundiso zethu baqoqa konke ngoba lonke ulwazi abanalo is spiritual and most of it is accurate. Okuwukuthi base bekuthathile lokho, they went back to lapha baqhamuka khona bayofunda bayokuhlaziya ukuthi lokhu bazokusebenzisa kanjani ukuthi basiqumbe phansi noma basicindezele ngakho. Okuyingakho there were a lot of killings. Mabefika babulala. It was not for hate, kwakuyesu umnikelo, because mawusebenzela umbuso wobumnyama kufanele kuchitheke igazi. That's the spiritual part of it. And also kwakuwukuthi labo solwazi noma abanokwazi ngobuthina ngokuqhamuka kwethu ngamakhosi kamenzi nangendlela zokwenza makuphele ngabo ebese bona they introduce inkolo entsha. You think ukuthi Jesus is a king of kings, you think ukuthi Jesus uNkulunkulu wokukhanya, kanti cha, that is not the name that we use. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi eqaleni bathatha inkolo yethu and compiled it in a book. Zonke lencwadi yeBhayibheli incwadi yabangcwele, vele incwadi yethu thina yolwazi lethu olihlanganisiwe, but lona base bakhipha amagama okwakufanele abekhona bafaka awabo, base bephendula enye yezincwadi and scriptures bayithatha bayiphendula basiphendula ukuthi zisebenzele bona, of which kuyingakho namhlanje kwenzeka ngalendlela, of which nakhona that is why there are still debates ukuthi uJesu wakwaphila lapha emhlabeni. Sifuna ukubona ithuna lakhe, uJesu wayomuntu omnyama, uJesu wayomuntu onjani. Le ncwadi ivele iqhamuka from thina, but this confusion abayicreateayo bedlala ngathi namanje bakhipha isithombe sokuthi yes uJesu wayemnyama. It's not because they are on our side or they want to reveal the truth. Bayabona ukuthi izinto zabo noma indlela yabo umbuso wabo obumnyama manje baningi abantu bayavulileka noma bayabuya kwiqiniso, bayaboniswa iqiniso. So that is why but let us continue to confuse them into thinking ngale ndlela sifuna ukuthi bacabange ngayo. And kuthiwa the secrets enithi niyawabona kuma movies ukuthi there are certain movies that keep on leading us ukuthi thina singabantwana bamanzi, thina siqhamuke emanzini, thina sihamba nombuso wamanzi, ukuthi you are discovering secrets or hidden secrets in certain movies. That is not, those are not secrets. They are doing it intentionally ngoba bafuna ukuthi silokhane siqhubeke silahleka sihambela umbuso wobumnyama. wobumnyama, umbuso okungasiwona owethu. That is why they killed us, bacima nehistory yethu, bayiphendula not knowing or forgetting ukuthi we are spiritual beings, laba abangama ancestors wethu. Mangithi ancestors angikhulumi ngabantu abadala, angikhulumi ngogogo nomkhulu abaphila lapha emhlabeni njengathi abayithina, ngikhuluma ngabasidala, our makers. Masibuyela emumva kubuthina, sibuyela kumakhosi kaMenzi, sibuyela to ama-gods of Egypt, sizokubiza kanjalo because kuyinkolo neyinkolo noma ngamagama kuhluka, but ngolwami ulimi sibiza ngani ngamakhosi kaMenzi, okuyiwona esibesibabiza ngama-ancestors. They came and they turned lelo gama futhi balisebenzisa ukuthi thina we must shift our focus ukuze sikwazi ukuthi lento isebenzele bona. That is why namhlanje you find people saying ama-ancestors ogogo nomkhulu babiza imoya yogogo nomkhulu, kanti it goes way beyond lokho. That is not what was meant makukhulunywa ngegama lama ancestors. Bekhulunywa with our creators, with our gods and goddesses that ruled the world, that created us, that gave us intelligence, that gave us the information le esinayo namhlanje, that continue futhi ukuthi basibusise ngalolu lwazi abasipha lona namhlanje. Nawe lobuhlakane onabo namhlanje obufikelayo, ucabanga ama-ideas, ucabange ini, ufikelwe yini, ubone ini, oqhamuka kubona ithina ke labo, nothi lento esesiyiyona namhlanje. So I am here ukuthi ngithunyiwe ukuthi mangizonibuyisa endleleni niqaqeke kwinkungu le eniphila kuyona. Yes, iBhayibheli okunye kwakho okwethu, noma okunye kwakho kuyikho, noma okunye kwakho kahle nje yazi ukuthi le ncwadi yeBhayibheli is a compilation or a collection of imfihlakalo zethu neimfundiso esasiphiwa omame nobabe namakhosi amakhulu lawa esembathile ahamba nathi gods and goddesses, not ama ancestors. Le definition that you have izona lwazo laliqhamuka lapho. Whoever who created lento noma wayiqala wathatha zonke lezi zinto ukuze zimsebenzele kumbuso wakhe wobumnyama, so that when they went and made a deal with umbuso wobumnyama bafuna indlela zokuthi zibasebenzele ukuthi abantu bakhonze lo moya wobumnyama bengazi. That is why you find yourself shouting, screaming the name of Jesus. Wena ngokwakho you think ukuthi ubiza umoya oyingcwele, ubiza umoya ophezulu, kanti cha, awubiza uNkulunkulu okufanele ngabe uyambiza, ubiza uNkulunkulu wabo. That is why they remain in power kangaka, basihlakaniphela from ekuqaleni. Before size kwizinto ezenzeka emhlabeni bathi I have to make you guys understand ukuthi lempi eyakamoya before it manifest noma before yenzeke enyameni, it was a deal kwamoya. So now their dark side is crumbling, kunomnyakazo, kuyaphela noma kuyamosheka kancane. So that is why people must get up and unite. Okuyingakho kufanele ukuthi niphume kuyivumelwano, niphume kuyinkolo ebenihamba ngazo, niphume kuma sacrifices enilokhani niqhubeka niwenza thinking ukuthi nenzela ogogo nomkhulu benu abanembathileyo, of which that is not the case. Nihambile nayo landa emimoya ekungasiyona. Khumbula ngishilo ukuthi there are so many words abake abawashintsha asaswasebenzisa, but bawashintsha njengegama lama ancestors bekungasibona. When our people kudala were talking about ama ancestors, they were not talking about mina nawe masesishonile imphefumulo yethu or umphefumulo kagogo wami nomkhulu wami useshonile. They were not calling upon them, they were calling upon our creators, our makers, because we understood ukuthi thina kahle siqhamo kakuphi. So bona they changed the narrative, they changed lelo gama into making us think ukuthi mathiwa ancestors kukhulunywa ngomphefumulo womuntu wasemhlabeni. Okuyingakho ke umbuso wokukhanya along the lines or along this time bophelelwa amandla, or abantu bebehla bephuma belahleka. It was because people have been fed wrong information. So kuyingakho nibambelela kangaka nilwela indaba yokuthi amadlozi ayaphila amadlozi, kanti no, that is aqhamuki lapho. Mawu a spiritual person, you have to sit down and connect nomoya oyingcwele, ucele ukuthi the creators of lo mhlaba, the givers of life, mabakuphe lolu lwazi, mabakwambulele ngolwazi okuyilona lona, nothi lolu wena wafika walifica lapha emhlabeni. Angizanga la ukuthi ngizocreate umsindo or ngizocreate ukulwa between abantu. I am here to awaken abantu who have the power within them, who think ukuthi amandla asezintweni zomhlaba noma angaphandle noma asekuthenini wena uhambe uyoconnecta nemoya esemanzi. Kanti no, akukho njalo. Amandla avele akwena ngaphakathi. You are the one giving your power to umoya omubi by connecting nawo, by ukuthi uphilele wena, by ukuthi usebenzele. Granted kukhona ke abangazi, because most of us besingazi. I walk this journey also, so angeke ngize ngiyikhiphe. Most of us we thought ukuthi vele ama ancestors bekuwogogo nomkhulu sihamba siyobalanda senzani, we did all of that. Kanti umoya ingcwele uthi the givers of life bathi that is not us, that is not the way to go about things. Nisuke nilanda imimoya engcwele, nisuke nixhumana nemoya yobumnyama. Someone uzothi mangabe ngiphupha ogogo nomkhulu mina ngiyababona kube ibona bangitshela izinto and futhi zenzeke. That is because from ekukhuleni kwakho you have been given a picture yokuthi wena when you receive messages iqhamuka kogogo nomkhulu bakho ezokulahlekisa into thinking that so into that you know esemqondweni wakho, even when uphupha vele bazosebenzisa that image or kuzosetshenziswa lokho noma kuzovela lokho ukuthi okay basebenzise what you know, not ukuthi kusuke kuyibona. But when you embark on a clean spiritual journey kuzohamba kuhambe kuqaqeke inkungu, kuvele ukubona ukuthi kahle le information iqalaphi. Kahle abakushoyo erase the information noma lolu lwazi obunalo noma ofikele kulona, and seek spiritual guidance and spiritual wisdom from the gods and the givers of life and the goddesses of light abaphezulu ebese bekwazi ukuthi bakhanyisele. Awuyena wena umntwana wamanzi. Yes, amanzi ane purpose yakhona, and we will get into that mangabe siqhubeka nabathi masinivezele kona. But okwamanje just know ukuthi awusiyena wena of the water kingdom. You do not belong under the marine kingdom. Baningi abantu abasadinga ukuthi bavuleleke banikezwe ulwazi, but okwamanje this is what they are saying. Anginidlusele kona ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nikhanyiseleke. Vukani, sekuyisikhathi sokuthi nivuke, niqaqe, niqeqebule konke benikwazi okungasikona okombuso ophikisayo obuzele lapha emhlabeni ukuzosibusa ngaphansi kombuso wobumnyama. Yebo, abathatha lokho esikwaziyo, knowing very well ukuthi we are spiritual people, bahamba bayokufunda bayokuphendula ukuthi makusebenzele bona nenkosi yabo yobumnyama, of which is why umbuso wabo busemandleni for all this time. And mangabe niqhubeka nilala ningalaleli, usazoqhubeka umbuso wabo usubuse ngaphezulu, usubuse usilawule, uyosifaka eweni okuyingobani. Anifuni ukuvuka, anifuni ukuphaphama, anifuni ukuthi nilale abantu abathunyiwe mabezonikhipha ebumnyameni. Your ancestors, they are resting. Kwamoya akekho umuntu onamandla phezu kwemimoya komphefumulo womuntu, not imimoya. Akekho umuntu onamandla phezu komphefumulo womuntu. Bathi umuntu mangabe efa ehamba emhlabeni umzimba uhlukana nomphefumulo, uyahamba ubuyela kumqali wendlela, kumqalisi wendlela okumdali wezulu nomhlaba, the givers of life. Lapho khona bafike baface i-judgment of the things that they were doing lapha emhlabeni. Le notion or these teachings or this information, misinformation yokuthi bayabuya bezocela thina sibageze sibabuyisele ekhanyeni, ayenzeki. Uma uphila la emhlabeni uphila kanye, uphile wena wenze kufanele wenze ukulunga. Uma ungenzi kahle, trust you me, akho mbuzi akho nkomo ezokwazi ukuthi igeze lokho kona naloko kungcola kwakho ikuphendule ikwenze umuntu omusha. Kusuke sekuphelile ngawe mangabe umphefumulo usuhlukene nomzimba. So that is why God is saying manizovuswa nizokwazi ukuthi niphile kahle, nizokwazi ukuthi niphile ngendlela ekuyiyona yona, nizoyeka ukudayisa ngemphefumulo yenu by screaming amagama ekungasiwona. You are busy calling upon abo Adamu no Jesus Christ. Those are not the names abekhona lapho. We have to remember ubuthina and embark on the journey of us, of who we truly are. Sisuse ulwazi esaliphiwa lona, noma sisuse ulwazi okungasilona okuyikona bathi ukuze siqale this movement or siqhube ihambe kahle. Batshela ukuthi amadlozi akusibona la bebenicabanga ukuthi bayibona. So wena, if you still think that, just know ukuthi usaphilela, usahambela umbuso wobumnyama and yinto eningafuni ukuphuma kuyona, but kancane kancane nizophuma kuyona. We will continue to pray, we will continue ukuthi sidlulise imiyalezo esiphiwa yona, sinibuyise endleleni, sinivuse, siniphapamise nalaba who have been thinking ukuthi they are woke bazovuka futhi okwangempela ke manje, because uhamba the right direction by wanting to go against what has been fed kuthina for all along. But you are going about this ngendlela ekungasiyona ke. We are here ukuthi sinihole kahle noma sinifake elayinini okuyiwona wona with the correct information. Ancestors are not the spirits of the people who once existed lapha emhlabeni. When we refer to ancestors, we are referring to the gods and goddesses, the creators and givers of life, the judges of spirits, not umuntu sake waphila lapha emhlabeni. So when you have been directing your light and your energy emoyeni omdaka, of which is why you are constantly being fed fear, you are constantly not living up to your potential, you are not free. Fanele ngaso sonke isikhathi kube khona into ekubuyisela lapha endombeni, kanti cha, but we are here to rule phezu komhlaba. We are here to exercise lawa mandla basiphe wona akuthina ngaphakathi, of which umuntu nomuntu unawo, just that awukwazi. You have the power to change your reality. You have the power to manipulate, noma ngathanda ukusebenzisa lelo gama, but we're gonna use it and say you have the power to manipulate your reality. You have the power to command the universe. Yithina ke labo, not ukuthi kufanele uyoguqa and call upon its spirits ukuthi izokulekelela, because maku kanjalo you are making a deal nombuso wobumnyama. That is why kukhona ama threats. That is why there is no spiritual freedom. That is why there is mostly fear kukona konke lokho, nama threats nakona konke. Manivuke sizwe, manivuke bantu, manihambe indlela ekuyiyona ekufanele ukuthi manihambe. Direct your energy lapho ekufanele ukuthi siyidirect khona, and wena lawo buyidirect khona thinking ukuthi those were your ancestors, akunjalo. Okuyingakho ukuthi kufanele nilekelelwe, nikhishwe, because once you make a deal, kufana nasemhlabeni, once you sign a contract, usebenza lapho, uphilela lapho, konke okwenzayo is to benefit loyo msebenzi noma le ndawo usebenza kuyona. Nakwamoya ke kunjalo. We first have to fix kwamoya, sinibuyisele endimeni noma esayidini ekuyilona lona, because you guys nasayiniswa i-contract lokuphilela umoya okungasiwona without you all knowing. So masekulungiswe lokho kwamoya, bakhona ibalance, and then you will see things are going to start to change. Amen. Ngiyanthanda.